Good day, everyone. Time now for weather news today with J7409. The name you know, the news you can use. Sorry I'm so late this morning. I had a really bad night last night. I haven't had much sleep. I've been hurting really bad, and well, I'm not going to go into it, but I'm here now, and I'm going to get this forecast out for you, okay? These weather systems are beginning to really get to me, making me hurt really bad. And now I'm even hurting in places that I'm not used to, so just bear with me, okay? Now, I want to remind everyone, if you have any weather pictures before we get going, please click Show More, scroll down. You'll see an email address to send them to, and I'll be more than happy to share them with the good Lord's will, okay? And if it's your first time here, please click the J7409. If you just take your mouse and hover over it, it'll pop right up. Click that, subscribe, click the bell, and you will receive all the latest weather forecasts, news, and alerts. We have the GFF map up here this morning, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. We're going to turn it on, and I'm going to try to explain a few things right quick for you. Okay, here we go. We do have that severe thunderstorms that are expected in eastern Tennessee Valley and parts of the southeast coming up. Heavy snows possible, and it's expected for parts of the northern central Rockies. And heavy rain is possible over parts of the southeast, and snow for portions of the northern plains into parts of the upper Mississippi Valley. A low pressure system will track from the central plains eastward to the southern Appalachians, southern mid-Atlantic by tomorrow before it pushes offshore the Carolina coast, deepens and tracks northeast. Now, snow over the central plains will slowly move into parts of the middle Mississippi Valley by tomorrow, along and ahead of the front, where warm, moist air transports northward from the Gulf will generate showers and thunderstorms across the eastern Gulf states, eastern Tennessee Valley, and parts of the southeast. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has highlighted these areas as heavy risk for severe weather, with an enhanced risk over central Tennessee and northeast Mississippi, northern Alabama, and northwest Georgia. Do you remember the other day when I was showing you on that thunderstorm map, when I clicked it up and we had that line that went through all those states with the blue with severe weather? Well, there you go. That's what they're talking about. Now, heavy rain will also be possible from these storms, therefore a marginal risk for excessive rainfall has been issued by the Weather Prediction Center, and light snow will also develop over parts of the central Appalachians on Tuesday. Meanwhile, upper level energy over parts of the northern high plains will move eastward into parts of the upper Mississippi Valley by tomorrow, which will help generate snow over parts of northern Intermountain region, northern Rockies, into parts of the northern plains, and will expand into the upper Mississippi Valley into tomorrow morning. A second area of upper level energy just off the Pacific Northwest coast will slowly begin to move inland overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Onshore flow with the system will result in coastal rain and higher elevation snow over the Pacific Northwest through tomorrow. By tomorrow night, rain will begin over portions of California. This upcoming event could lead to increased flooding concerns as it moves east. Okay, I had a request from one of my subscribers. This is for my friend Jim up in the Virginia mountains, up along the Appalachian Trail. He is in Augusta County. And this is what it's looking like. They're forecasting about 4 miles west of Staunton, Virginia. Here's what your temperatures are looking like, okay? This is today. You're going to be up in the 40s, almost 50, with your wind chill in the 40s. Looks like your wind chill is going to start diving down come tomorrow, okay? You're going to hit that freezing mark sometime around 4 a.m. in the morning, that's the wind chill. The regular air temp is going to stay above freezing until we get over here to around 9 p.m. tomorrow night. This is what their graph is looking like for you. Lots of rain coming in. Lots of rain coming in. The rain will start today. Rain's going to go right on through. Around 7 p.m. tomorrow night, it will start mixing up about 2 p.m. with some snow, and it's going to start mixing up about 11 a.m. with some sleet. You got a good chance of sleet, and that's when the snow comes in. The rain doesn't really stop till about 7, when then the snow and sleet will mix, and then it's going to finally turn over to mostly snow. As we're starting now for you around 7 a.m. Wednesday, you can see mighty cold. Your air temp's 29 around 9 a.m. Wind chill 22. So any precipitation you're going to get is going to be snow. There you go. But it does start to taper off. You guys in the same area are under a hazardous weather outlook this morning, okay? It's for parts of eastern West Virginia, northern and central Virginia, and central and western Maryland, with the exception of Garrett County. Now, low pressure will pass through the area tonight, leading to the wintry mix of precipitation. Accumulating snow is most likely for portions of eastern West Virginia, northwestern Virginia, and western Maryland, and the morning commute for tomorrow will likely be impacted, okay? The accumulating snow will remain possible through early tomorrow and Wednesday, okay? Starting early in the morning, it's going to be going on. I just showed it to you, and then Wednesday you're still going to have some more. And this is all because another low pressure center develops near the coast, and significant snowfall accumulation is possible along the ridges. So keep that in mind. Stay safe. We're going to check out the severe thunderstorm activity and see if we find any right quick. Already this morning, you see these thunderstorms up in Arkansas. They've already had a severe storm warning and hit this morning. This is set on around 9 a.m. for today, and we'll move it on across. We'll hop up to around 3 p.m. this afternoon. Looks like some showers will possibly go through Florida. They always hit and miss. Seems to be. We'll come on up to around 9 p.m. tonight. Moving up in Alabama. Florida, you guys still don't look like you're going to get a whole lot as of today. Let's make this a little bigger. Looks like possibly, yeah, right here around Birmingham. That's a severe thunderstorm right there. Right around Birmingham. This is around 9 p.m. tonight. 9 p.m. tonight. As we move to Tennessee and also into Kentucky, those do not look severe at this time. It's springtime, people. Anything can happen. Also, on both sides of Birmingham, you could have severe weather. So keep that in mind. And everybody else is looking pretty good right now. Of course, this is not wrote in stone. This afternoon or midday could be totally different. It all depends on the atmosphere and what happens. I mean, you guys know that. But here's the train coming through that I was talking about. It gets bigger, but this is Tuesday morning around 1 a.m. I won't go any further. But I will blow this up and show you. They are from Georgia to around LaGrange, going right on down to Montgomery, Alabama. As you can see, this is early in the morning at 1 a.m. So you guys keep that in mind and stay safe, okay? Now, what kind of precipitation is going to be happening? This is set for 10 a.m. today is when it will start. I'll turn it on and just let it run through by itself this morning. As you can see what's going on. The whites of snow, the blues of rain. I'll keep you informed. We're up to 2 p.m. Monday afternoon now. Moving right along. You know, I had someone else write me a note. Why is it so cold in Florida? Well, I've been telling you guys it's because of these systems coming through, and you're getting the backside of them. And the people up in the panhandle and up in those areas, yes, it's going to be cold. And you're getting some of the surge coming down from the other states where all of these frost and freeze warnings have been. You guys are receiving some of those temperatures. And I've also told you guys all along, yes, you'll have warm days, with the exception of some parts of Florida and southern Texas. Yes, you're going to have really warm days, and it's going to look great. And then it's going to get chilly and plain cold again in some areas. Don't look for it to get warm and stay warm till sometime next month, unless something changes. That's what it's looked like for a while now, though. And we're up to Tuesday now, around 8 a.m. You can see where things are moving right on through. Slowly but surely, I want to stop this and move it along just a little bit faster to get up to around midnight Wednesday. We see some of that snow now starting here in Virginia, all around in these areas. Some of us up in Ohio with some rain. Illinois, Tennessee, eastern Tennessee's got some snow too. And we'll move up to 7 a.m. Wednesday. Then you can tell when the snow is really coming down. But it's not as bad as it could be, according to this model. Who knows, folks? They use so many models, they don't know. They don't know no more than me and you. We just try to estimate. So, I'm trying to estimate this morning and let you know what's going on. I love you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for sharing this weather information. I'll try to be back, but I don't know if I will because I really don't feel well. Everybody have a great day, a safe day, and a blessed day. Much peace, love, and kindness to all.